Hello, welcome to another episode of Maths with Lloydie. Today is a teacher tips video, but it could also be a pupil tips video, depending on how you look at it. So today we're having a look at the OnMaths website, a website that I feel is mega useful for exam practice, but also if you're undecided of what tier that you need to do, whether it be higher or foundation, this website is for you. So I'm on the homepage. It's onmaths.com. If we scroll down, we can see that we've got some advanced information, documents, we've got the formula sheets for each different exam board. But what this is showing is kind of most of the content on the website. So at the moment, they've predicted a few papers. So we've got Edexcel, paper 123 higher, paper 123, I'm sure, foundation, that's for Edexcel. If you click on the view more predictions, you'll see different exam boards, different papers. The mini predictions are looking really good. 45-minute papers, so that's basically half the time for you to go through. Really good for your revision. And then there's some topic busters. Again, like if you click on the view more, you can get access to more of it. The topic busters, we've got averages, area and perimeter at the bottom. It's telling you which tier it's suitable for, and then the difficulty as well. So the higher up it goes, the harder it is. So if you're a candidate looking for grade, I might just click on this one. Actually, we'll have a little look at what comes up. So yeah, you can click on high with the drop downs, go to foundation, choose your topic, geometry, higher. Can I see circle theorems there? No, can't see them. Histograms. Oh, it's because I'm in statistics. Go geometry. 3D right angles using Pythagoras. Look at that. All the sorts of fun that you would expect on a maths website. Circle theorems, they are there. Fantastic. Okay, go back. Please work back button. There we go. So scrolling down again, the demon questions. They're the challenging ones. Really good to extend yourself. If you can answer a few of those, that would be really good prep work for yourselves. Mini mocks, I love these. Balanced 20-minute papers to help your revision. We're going to have a look at a mini mock soon. And what we offer, look at this. So as this is growing, you can see that when you're doing one of the mini mocks, you're doing one of the predicted papers, it will tell you the top bar is how many marks have passed. So from 0 to 80, that's on Edexcel. I think OCR and AQA are 100. And then how many marks you've got as you go. And here it goes again. It's just sort of loading up. So when you're at grade 6, when you're at grade 7, when you're at grade 1, 2, or 3, it will highlight it as you go. We'll look at that a little bit later. Thousands of questions, hundreds of papers. Improve with data. So I have signed up. You can sign up for free, but I think you can go ultimate. They're going to charge you a little bit for ultimate. Use that. I haven't paid for that. I'm looking at maybe doing it, depending on how well we're doing. But this is the teacher's bit. I've signed up for free. Looks amazing. Okay, so I'm going to scroll all the way up to the top. I'm going to do a time check. I'm going to have a little time check. How am I doing for time? So we are at 3 minutes on so far. Let's go for a mini mock. Let's have a little look at that. Now, this is really useful if you are thinking, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be higher or foundation. So we'll do the foundation. We're going to do the non-calculator. You can see you've got the mini mock foundation bit here. It kind of looks really official. And you can download these as well with an answer paper, which is good. I'm going to start it and do it online. So from the list below, above, find a prime number. So there we go, number 3, hit that, got my mark. So as you can see, the bar's filled up now. So I've done 1 mark and I've got 1 mark in the bank. What is the cheapest price for 60 rulers? So let's just play around with this. We'll probably get this one wrong. So we'll say 30 quid, just as an estimate. 30 quid. Nothing out of 4. Now, that's one drawback, I think, to this whole thing is that you kind of get everything or you get nothing. So that's one of the negatives, but I don't think that's a bad thing because it's a crueler way of marking and that in reality, you'll be a little bit higher than what it says. Write these in ascending order. So that's a third, a half, and 3/4. So B, C, A. All the options are there. Lovely. 2 out of 2. And now we can see that the gap has appeared between the 7 marks that have gone and we're on 3, which is 1 mark. Okay. Oh my God. Right. Drop down for this. B and A, T, T, S, S. Oh, I should have skipped this one, shouldn't I? Not telling you guys to skip them. You take your time when you're doing them. I'm just sort of getting through it now so you can see what happens at the end. So there's our answer. We've got that one right. BD is parallel to EF. Work out the size of the angle marked X. Oh, that's going to take a bit of working out. Let's just go for 42 or 43 and move on. Lovely. 57 degrees. Okay, so square numbers, odd numbers, complete the Venn diagram. Squares, odds. Yep, that looks right, that. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's the first one. Yeah, we'll have that. Lovely. Okay, 4 marks to go. 3 of them here. I'm just going to have a guess because we're moving on. Actually, I think I've just worked that out in my head quickly. 11? Yeah, 11. Get in. Right. Last bit must be worth 1 mark. Write that in standard form. That's 2.7 and it's -3 because there's 3 zeros. Mark it. Right. So we're done. Finished. Super. Oh, wow, I've got a grade 4. I'm happy with that. 60% on this, and you've got your certificate of completion. Now, if you wanted to show your teacher how well you're doing, this is actually a really nice thing to do, just to show your teacher what you're doing at home. For me, I know that we use Go for Schools. Sometimes our marking in Key Stage 3 is your grade is what you'd get if you sat the paper today. So if you're sat on a 3 and you did this, you could maybe twist your teacher's arm and say, I'm doing a bit better, sir. Could I have a 4 or miss, of course? But that is really useful. And this bit's really useful for your teacher as well. So you're able to do a snipping tool and cut that up. Click this link and send it to someone you want to view your results. So clicking on this link here or copying and pasting this, and you could email that to your teacher and then they could see that. And I think that would be a really useful thing to do as well. Right, let's come out of that. Oh, we're only 6 minutes in. So I'm making lots of crazy noise today. I'm going to click on the OnMaths bit to go back to the start. Let's have a look at the topics. So let's pick a topic. Foundation, number. Let's do accuracy and rounding. So all of these questions will be specific to accuracy and rounding. So round this to 2 decimal places, 4.94. Mark it. Again, I didn't click on this earlier. Oh, it wants you to be ultimate. So if you want to see the full workings out and you want a video explanation, you need to join Ultimate. I'll worry about what that is later. Okay, so next one, round that to 3 significant figures. So it's 31800. Mark that. And then the last one, 3 significant figures, 3.31.2. Great. So again, you get a little bit of information, helps. You can send that to your teacher. Papers to try next. Little bit of a guide there for you to pick something up. And I think when you sign up, you get some data. I've not seen this. So here's some data. There's nothing there. I'm sure it will appear. Where's the topic stuff? Number, foundation, click. There we go. So I've clicked on one and it's come through. We've got 100% there. So you can always check your data. So if you're year 10 or you're year 9, sign up to this. Looks like this is a really good tool and it's free at the moment. So you can use it, get yourself as high up as you can. Use this drop down prediction, 45 minutes. What did we do? We did a mini mock, didn't we? So we'll have a look at that. Yeah, there's the mini mock, 6%. Always can try and beat your score, which would be really good. I've got a bit of time and I don't want to be too long. 8 minutes 40. We have a look at the demon questions. So going on to the demon questions. Demon 1, higher. Let's do foundation. Or I'll do higher. I'll do higher. It's fine. It'll be fine. Oh, BD is parallel to EF. Work out the size of the angle mark. This looks like a lot like the one that we did earlier. That means that 2y take away 40 is equal to 68. Add the 40 is 108 divided by 2, 54, which means y is 54 in there. This bit in here is also 68. 68 plus 54, 72, 122. 58. 58. If I've got it wrong, I've got it wrong live on camera. Unlucky. Shows that you need to use pen and paper. Oh, we got it right. That's okay. So again, look, that's 4 marks. This demon paper is worth 20 marks. Again, you're going to get that summary. Here, I think you can click on a walkthrough. There you go, watch the walkthrough, but you'll need Ultimate for that. So can't use that initially. But there we go. That is OnMaths. The predicted papers, what I will say about these are full papers. So when we go into it, I'll just nip into this higher one. Edexcel is probably a bad example. So we go into Edexcel, you can see it's 80 marks. and you don't want to be too long on it. You don't want to have your session timeout. If I go to OCR, that's what my school do at the moment, paper one, and this should be 100 marks. Yeah, out of 100. Okay, and they've even had to make the grid a bit smaller. So yeah, look at that, minus x there. Divide by -1, flips it over, greater than -10, -2, x greater than, not 2, greater than -2. Let's have a go. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, right, that is, and we can see that's going to tick along. Right, that is on maths. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. I hope you're going to use it. Teachers, I hope you can recommend this to your pupils because I think it's really, really useful. Please like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. It'd be amazing. Sorry for being quite a while since the last video, and happy mathsing. I hope that we're all going to pass our maths. Good luck. Bye-bye.